Alright, so let's say we have a system of equations here, and we want to determine if the point 1, 5 is a solution to the system of equations. It's a very simple check to see if a point is a solution to the system of equations. So what you do is you simply plug the point in, the x value and the y value into both, and make sure that it works. So let's start with the first equation, x plus y equals 6. And I want to plug in the point 1, 5. So x is 1, y is 5. Does 1 plus 5 equal 6? So it works for that equation, but you do have to check it for both equations because it could work for one and not the other. So if I have the second equation, negative 3x plus y equals 2, I'm going to go negative 3 times 1 plus 5. So that's negative 3 plus 5, and that equals 2. So that checks out to be a solution to the system of equations. If either one of those equations is not true from the point, then the point is not a solution to the equation. Alright, here we have a system of equations that has 3 equations and 3 variables. We want to determine if the point 3, 1, 1 is a solution to the system of equations. So it's the same process. We're just going to plug 3, 1, 1 into each equation. So we're going to go 3 plus 2 times 1 minus 3 times 1. Does that equal 2? So that's 3 plus 5 minus 3 is 2. So the first equation checks out. The second equation here is x minus y minus z equals 1. So does 3 minus 1 equal 1? Well, 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1, so that checks out. Now the third equation says here 2x plus 5y minus z equals 2. So I'm going to go 2 times 3 plus 5 times 1 minus 1. Does that equal 2? So does 6 plus 5 minus 1 equal 2? Well, that is 11 minus 1, which is 10. Does 10 equal 2? It does not. So though the first 2 equations check out, the third one does not. So this is not a solution.